It's a short review of a 1x8 clutch mech system I've got on my hardtail. It's a 26-inch wheels. At the front I'm running a 34 tooth oval chainring on a 1142 8-speed cassette. It's a cheap one from China, it's about £15. The mech's 10-speed Shimano clutch mech. Had to replace the B screw with a longer one to get the clearance for the largest rear cog. The chain is a 10-speed chain. I tried an 8-speed, didn't work. So 10-speed chain with this 10-speed mech. The shifter is a SRAM X4. Works well, works fine. The actuation ratio is virtually the same for the old SRAM as it is for 10-speed Shimano mountain bike mechs. I wanted to mount the shifter outboard of the brake lever, but the display isn't removable, and therefore the shifter has to be placed inboard of the brake lever, which isn't ideal. But the shifting works pretty well. It's quite smooth. It's not as good as dedicated Shimano or SRAM systems. It could be better if the Shimano rear mech wasn't old, and if the cassette was a proper Shimano one. I'm sure I'll get better shifting. But overall I'm quite happy with it. The clutch system works well, and hopefully I'll lose less change.